What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we'll be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Nano to Bitcoin. So shout out to Amex for commenting his altcoin. If you guys want to be shouted out in tomorrow's video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment telling me what cryptocurrency we should review in tomorrow's episode. So in today's episode, we will be covering why all the consolidation, what does it possibly mean, as well as an article that I found. So before I jump into both of those, let's just go over the cryptocurrency or the coin market cap so we can get a better idea of what exactly is happening within the cryptocurrency world. So right now we're trading at 281 billion, so we are slightly back up from like 2 or 3 days prior, but we are nowhere near where we have been in the past. When I scroll down, you'll see for the most part, I want to say we're having a pretty progressive overall up day. Mainly I base this off of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, and for the most part majority of them are in green, not by much, but they're in green. Litecoin up a little bit less than 2%. That's pretty much the same thing with Bitcoin and Ethereum. We have Litecoin at $98, so it is moving in the upwards direction, which is kind of nice to see, but it has a long way to go from where we once have been. Very interesting. So I want to show you guys a quick article before we jump into Litecoin and that TA. So this is an article. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Twitch. If you are familiar with Twitch, please leave a comment about what your opinion is about this article. And this basically says Twitch streamers can now tip with 4 cryptocurrencies. It says they can use Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Core. Twitch streamers can get a Streamlab account tied to their Coinbase account, which enables crypto-infused tips with no additional fees. Streamlab representatives Tom Maneri revealed the integration on Sunday, June 4th. So this is a few days ago, but I forgot to bring it up to you guys. So it's pretty freaking awesome. Hopefully you guys are into gaming and Fortnite and Ninja and all those big top players, Dr. Lupo, and a few others, Ali A. They're all into the cryptocurrency. Into streaming and playing video games and getting tipped or donated with fiat currency. But to be able to allow, I guess, cryptocurrency as a form of payment, it basically shows the vast majority and the public that cryptocurrency isn't something to be afraid of, nor is it negative. It's actually a positive and can be used as a good thing. So yeah, that's pretty much what the article does talk about. So I think that's really good news, the fact that there's more light and more positivity being shown on cryptocurrency. When I click on Litecoin, so you can see it's a very like conservative, a lot of I guess just consolidation. We're in a consolidation period, and that could be good or bad. We're looking at Binance, Litecoin to the US dollar. You can see the sideways consolidation. We're on that trend line right now, and we're not really moving that much. And usually when cryptocurrency doesn't move, something happens, and you can see clearly the consolidation period pushed us down, and hopefully we have a consolidation period that pushes us up. It's very possible. More reason being is you saw the consolidation period we were on up here was at around a 45 to 50 on the stock RSI, and right now we're pretty much bottomed out at around 20, if not around 30. So we're a lot lower, and we are still trading below the high-low MMA on the daily. So there is a lot of good signs that cryptocurrency and Litecoin could move, and we could get some volume. Obviously, maybe not $400, but maybe ending 2018 at 250, 300 is definitely a reasonable price to pay attention to. So be mindful of cryptocurrency. Don't doubt it. And believe it or not, the more people that doubt cryptocurrency, the more the big guys are buying in, because that's when they know, oh, it's cheap now. Let me buy in. It's going to go up soon. I think Bitcoin looks the best on their chart. Honestly, we have 1, 2, 3 points. Could be necessarily a triple bottom, but 1, 2, 3. And this is on Coinbase. I think if we go to Bitcoin to USD on like Binance, we may see something a little different. So here we go. That's not it. I don't think there's a Binance. Let's see. No, I can't find it. Oh well. But maybe I'll look into it later or tomorrow. But usually there's bigger trends. You can see on here we have such bigger volume and bigger movements on Litecoin. But for Bitcoin, it does look very nice. It's very it's very cuneiform and very, you can see how clearly we're building a lot of pressure and steam right here and really funneling down into the bottom of this triangle, this descending triangle. So it'll be very interesting to see which way we break. I'm again more bullish on it. Call me a permeable, whatever you want. I can see a movement upwards very soon. It's just a lot of negativity, but it's also forming a technical analysis, a triangle, a downtrend that still has not been broken. So you can draw this, you can draw the old, the old triangle that could have possibly have been broken, which is something along the lines of that. You can see here, and then it broke out, and now it came back down, forming a larger pennant flag or descending triangle. So it'll be very interesting to see, but we did break out, and we may do that again. It's very possible, but definitely the breakout where we broke out here was practically the same level as where we broke out before. So if I just draw this, you can see how on the breakout we were right around here. And you can see how that plays out. Like, this is the line to break. If we get above that, it usually ends in a movement upwards. So be mindful of that. That is possible. Let's check out Ethereum. Just a quick overview. There is a downtrend right here. And you can see how we have not yet broken above. We are looking to break above, but not yet. It's pretty much just following, Litecoin and Bitcoin. When we see Bitcoin break above here, we'll most likely see some type of movement right here as well. It's pretty much just where the line of support is, and there's a chance, honestly, that this may be the one it is following, similar to Bitcoin. So we may be looking for an area right around here before it breaks out. So I can just lighten that one, and we'll see what happens after that. But it is funneling down into here, and we do have this downtrend holding us back. Lastly, I want to check out Nano on the daily. So it's tough to say for Nano, definitely, because there's not much happening right now. Wow, that is not what I wanted to draw. So hold on. Horizontal line. We have one right here. Have some support here. Right there again. And it's hard to draw a bottom. I guess this would be the bottom for now. I'd say stay away from Nano, honestly, for right now. Don't invest in I don't invest in this coin because there's too much going on and there's too little information available. At least on this graph, you can see how we did break upwards out of this. This is a downtrend, at least for the most part. I don't know how you want to graph it, even like this. It's possible, but you don't have much trading history with Nano, so you can't really see how low it's going to go. You can clearly see that we've been going down, but it's hard to say exactly how low Nano will go because there's no past. So there's a chance we could go lower, but it's really not drawn out. And this was definitely a big resistance for it to not break, or a big support for it to not break, and it did. So it can keep going down. But otherwise, that's going to sum up the video for today, guys. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, like the page, and I will see you guys tomorrow.